All right. If you want to know how to, at the beginning of an AI call, as soon as the AI answers and says, hey, is this such and such? And they're like, yep. They're like, well, check your phone. I want to confirm this is your address. Have this image sitting right there for them to look at. Or as soon as they opt in on Facebook, they get a picture like this that says, hey, Rob, is this John, your service advisor with Service Today? Or this is John. We're updating your warranty records. Can you confirm this is your address and PIN? Boom. So perfect for home services, perfect for solar, perfect for a lot of different things. The trouble is it's difficult to pull these maps instantly and send them, right? AI is great and it can do a lot of things faster and more efficiently and better than people, but it can be difficult to set up the integration where it can do things like send a picture. It's not as easy as you just taking a screenshot on your phone and sending it. So that's why I created the MassMarket HL Zap, which is going to allow you to send pictures like this during AI interactions and other automated interactions through GoHighLevel. And so I'm going to kind of show you step by step how we do that. Basically, it's pretty simple, and it starts with a workflow. And in the workflow, you're going to initiate a webhook. The webhook is going to be a custom value that you're going to use to hold the URL of your webhook, your inbound webhook trigger for your Zap. So you have to set up a different Zap flow for every single sub account. So for that sub account, you're going to have a certain URL to trigger this workflow, and you're going to place that inside the custom field for each contact in that sub account. So it's going to catch the webhook with the address in that workflow step, and from there, you're going to generate the latitude and longitude. So for this, you're going to need to have an API key for the Google Maps API, and you're going to be able to follow instructions to set that up. You can also take a look at the way I did it here. You send the address along with your API key, and you're going to pull back the latitude and longitude. Now we're going to go and also get a static image. So we're going to request the image of the address at that latitude and longitude. And so you got the address, and then you're going to also drop a pin on the latitude and longitude. You can control the color of the pin. And what we're going to do is we're going to save that into a custom field inside GoHighLevel. So this is where our Zap comes in, right? So this is the hard part, because the API, the 2.0 API in GoHighLevel has a ton of different functionality, way better than the 1.0, but it requires OAuth, which is a type of authentication that's difficult to set up, especially for someone that's new at this stuff. And so having a Zapier application that can set it up pretty, more without you having to know how to do web development makes it much easier. So then you can go in, connect your Zap, and you can just choose the action, update contact details. You're going to give it the contact ID, which you pull from this first step when we sent the information out to this webhook. And you're going to save the file as an attachment to a custom field, right? And so you can do that. You might not have known. So you're going to save the image to the custom field, and you're going to have a custom field just for the map images. So what we do is we wait 15 minutes to make sure it's got time to find the map and load it in there. And then we're going to go right down here to send map view, and as you can see, we've got a custom field right there in the SMS attachment as the first part of the message. Now right after that sends, you can have it call. You can also have a tree for if there's no image, where it acts differently to make sure that it doesn't act stupid. If there's no image, it shouldn't be referring to an image. If the image is there, it's going to send, and then you can have it make a call. So the call say, hey, did you just get that picture? Boom. You've got a very disruptive way to start the conversation. And so that's how you use the MassMarket HL Zap to send an image during a conversation.